Welcome! Today I'm going to make some easy cheesy bread. What you need for this recipe is 2 bread buns, some black pepper, basil, mozzarella and ham cubes. First bake your ham in a pan till it has a nice brown color. Cut your mozzarella in nice thick chunks. There you go. And break apart the basil as well for later. You don't need much, just a little bit. Next up, get your buns and remove the bottom of the buns. When you have done so, get rid of the insides. Fill the buns with your mozzarella, basil and ham. And add some black pepper for taste. Not too much, just a little bit. Then close the buns again and put them in the oven. Make sure to place the buns with the top down, unless if you don't, the mozzarella will leak out. I am adding the insides as well to my dish, because why should I waste that? Now place it in the oven and wait till the bread is done. And there you go. Easy cheesy bread. Amazing.